Hello again team, we are going to make one Vox model and put it in world. So first off you want to go to Google and search for Megavox. Once you get on the website, the ftracy.github.io, you can just get the latest version or a previous version. Right, once you're downloaded and installed the software, you can just open it and click on that little bean right there and click on that cube, and you're ready to make a Vox. So what you want to do is you want to click on this 40-40-40, set it to 32, press enter, and here you've got a 32 times 32 times 32 cube. This is really important because if it's smaller or bigger than that, it won't work and CryptoVoxel will not be loading the Vox model. Now what I usually do is I click on frame and grid and set it to 32, press enter. It helps me visualize the grid and helps me make it more symmetrical, something like that. Alright, so I'm just going to make some lines. So you click line and then you click straight. I'm going to make a red line to here, a red line to there, and then blue line to there, blue line to here. Great, it looks like nothing. Sweet, so I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it as say test tutorial. Sweet, you can close the software. Then you can go to your host. So for example, Dropbox, that's what I use sometimes if it's private, or you can use the Discord, the CryptoVoxel Discord. So here you've got a few Vox files, Vox models that are updated and uploaded by people. So I assume personally that these are public, but I prefer not to use them just in case, as well, at least I'll be looking for one that's free to use, or I'll be asking the author. Right, so I'm going to use Dropbox for this. I'm going to go upload file, go for, where did I put it? I forgot where I put it. It was called test tutorial. There you go. Open, it's uploading right there. Click share, click create link, copy link, go back into the game. There I am into the game. Press tab, press Vox, put the Vox in world, and then with the link you copied, you paste it in URL. There you go. So it's going to take a while to load, and if it doesn't load, just refresh the page. So what I'll do now is I put it on scale of 2:2:2. Click there, refresh. Hopefully it works. There we go, and we've got our Vox model in world. If you ever make a Vox model bigger than 32 by 32 by 32, so for example I'm going to make one right now. It's called a so 126 for example. It's called a Megavox in CryptoVoxel's terms, and so if I put it to 32 here, get the green, get the frame, nice. So I'm going to get some lines again, project lines this time, attach, up, cool, great, beautiful. I'm an artist, I should make some NFT arts. Great job, sweet. I'm going to save it as Megavox tutorial. Cool, close it. Same thing, I'm going to upload it on here. So upload Megavox tutorial. Uploading. Great, right there. Click on share, create link, copy, back to the game, press tab, Megavox, put it on the ground, URL, put it to this, and refresh. That's it right there. Yep, there you go. So here we've got our Megavox. I'm going to upscale it to 2:2. Wow. And there we go, we've got our first Megavox. As you can see, we've got a limit to the number of items we have. So for example, here it's 53 of 200 boxes, and then we've got 1 of 5 Megavoxes. So there you go. You guys have fun and enjoy.